Episode 1 of Decision Advantage, we saw the scale of the Defense Logistics Agency's mission and the vast sea of data behind it. Now, see how the DLA workforce is harnessing AI to make faster, smarter decisions. DLA is already putting AI and automation to work across the enterprise. In fact, you have probably been using AI in your day-to-day life more than you think. Our emails use AI to filter spam, predictive text, spelling, and grammar suggestions on AI models, and navigations apps use AI to lead you to the quickest path. This is just the beginning of our partnership with AI. To create a more powerful partnership, we should think of it like a handler and their canine. A dog's sense of smell can be tens of thousands of times stronger than a human's. Dogs are purpose-built and trained to find things faster than we ever could. Artificial intelligence works in a similar way. AI scans millions of data points in seconds, identifying patterns, and signals turn into connections. Just like a canine team, humans are in control. The handler gives commands, interprets results, and makes decisions. Humans provide context and judgment, while AI provides speed and scale. This is the human-AI advantage. A trusted partner, guided by human expertise. DLA is empowering our people and accelerating the mission. Next, coming up in Blueprint, learn how Team DLA is leading a digital transformation.